and egg sauce. I still have some yam remaining. I don't know what. I don't know if I should still fry them or leave them to cook later. Just like okay, let me warm my morning ritual activity. If you're a Nigerian, if you're in the world, anywhere you're watching from, this is otazi and scent leaf. Imagine otazi. As a matter of fact, I'm not going to English otazi. Don't know the otazi English name. So I warm it and take it home. Instead of taking my normal warm water and lemon. I still have lemon, no. But this detoxifies the system. Do you know? Please don't go with my thumbs up, okay? Please. Guys, don't go with my thumbs up. I need it to warm a little bit. Then I'm maybe supposed to give the children. Shade those is a lie. Come here. Here, Abia. I did not clean it. But you touched it. Yes. So what did he put into my room? Not clean. I touched it. I don't see anything. I'll flog it. Come, I'll flog it because when you don't have something, you want to spoil it. I want you to stay away from that habit. Do you understand me? So when you get to school, you tell your teacher that I told you. Come on, come on. It's a bad habit, okay? I don't like you for that habit. And I don't want anything of it not to like it. Oh, I'm glad that you spending so much time today now, eh? I'm going to be a sis. This thing should have been warm by now. So, I love. How you all doing? Good morning. Good morning. My kitchen radio. And did I start compound already? Hold on, they will open gates.
Cisgen or cisgen?